Hi everyone, I'm Julie Webb and welcome to another edition of UC Tech Chat. I'm here again with Jason and we're going to be talking about business phone solutions in the medical office space. Hi Jason.
Hey Julie.
How's it going?
Doing good. How about you?
Well, today we're going to be talking about how medical offices can take advantage of unified communications. So tell us what should customers look at when they're evaluating or researching phone systems?
There's a lot of different vendors to choose from. There's different deployment options, so it can be somewhat confusing. To keep it simple, you're really looking for a voice over IP solution that will be either delivered in the cloud or on-prem. There's other buzzwords as well, so if you hear hosted or virtual PBX, that's cloud. If you're on-site or on-premise, that's referred to the equipment physically living on your location.
Well, you mentioned a couple deployment options, so which would be the preferred method for a medical office?
It's typically going to be cloud, and here's the reason why. With a cloud deployment, it's very affordable and it's low upfront cost, so it's not such a huge investment like with an upfront on-premise purchase. It also lessens your IT burden because the vendor is going to provide the service and the phone system and be able to manage that so you don't have to worry about the IT overhead. It's great for distributed workforces if you have mobile people or you have multiple offices. Cloud's great for that. And then it provides a lot of vendor accountability because you can easily change cloud vendors if they're not meeting your needs.
So what are some of the common pain points that a medical office would face?
Yeah, so there's a few that are going to be consistent across a lot of medical practices. One is missing calls. So if a patient calls into the business and they get a busy signal or they're unable to answer that call, you could be losing a patient. So you need to be able to scale. A polished experience for your patients when they call in. If they call in, it goes right to Janet's voicemail. That's not presenting what you want to present towards your customers. Inefficiencies across staffing. A lot of times they want to be able to leverage their billing office and their different individuals they have in the organization. Patient reminders is another good example of automation and being able to use the phone system to increase productivity and efficiencies.
Great. So what are some final suggestions you would have for someone who's in the medical field looking for a business phone solution?
Seek a product demonstration would be the thing I would encourage the most because that's where you can vet the vendor, ask all the specific questions about your business. A lot of times they're not going to say, I need call queues and IVRs. They're going to say, this is the problem, how would you solve it?
Right.
And it's important that vendor can address that. If they offer a trial, I would encourage you to take advantage of the trial and also ask about a case study to make sure they service customers in your industry.
Perfect. Well, thanks for joining us again today. And we look forward to seeing everyone next time on the next edition of UC Tech Chat. Take care.